Hi everyone. Thank you for participating with the 2814 Med workshops so far here with the Griffith Paramedicine program. Unfortunately, due to the current restrictions associated with COVID-19, we're going to have to cease our workshop activity effectively immediately. So I'm just sending this brief message to let you know that any of the workshops that you've been assigned to, you'll be receiving a cancellation email shortly. I want to thank you for participating so far this trimester with what we're doing with medical and toxicology and paramedic practice, and for helping develop the future paramedics within our profession. I'm still available by email or phone call if you need to get in touch, and we'll still be having regular online engagements with our students throughout this period as well. Once again, thank you for your assistance so far in this trimester, and for those that have already volunteered for future spots that we had allocated for this course. Stay safe, take care, and have a great day. Bye for now.